Hi everybody, it's Lavinia and welcome. In today's video, I am participating in an open collab. It's hashtag share a stamp, and this is hosted by Sunflowers and Crafts, and I will link her channel in my description box. This is an open collab, just sharing stamps that you have. And so this is my second video in this collab. I'm going to go ahead and leave that there so that you have that. And I have several stamps that I haven't used in a while or have not used at all. And I have this little index journal that I created, and in my last video I used this zigzag stamp and this rose. Also off camera I used this stamp with my Ranger Archival black ink. And I thought for this video, this I had written down quite some time ago about practicing pause. Sometimes, your mind is racing, all these thoughts and whatnot, and just stop and practice some pause. Just take a moment, don't think about anything else, and just pause. So I have some stamps that I had purchased a long time ago. I had attended an art I don't know, it wasn't really an art show, but like tutorials and classes or workshops, I guess you could say, down in Phoenix. And this is over, I think it was in 2010. So I attended a couple classes, but then I think it was on a Saturday, all the vendors were there, and I went and I purchased some stamps. So I will show you the stamps that I had bought. And some of them I used, some of them I didn't. When I say used, I probably just tested them out. So there's this cat with stars, and Janet, don't yell at me, but yeah, I have not cleaned them probably as well as I should have. But there's this cat. So as you can see, there's this one here that I never used, and I think I'm going to use this one in the video because I don't know, it looks like she has maybe her eyes closed, and I thought she would fit nicely on here. And then I did use these stamps on Shrinky Dink, and I shrunk them down and I used them as charms. So these four ladies here kind of reminded me maybe like the Four Seasons, but I did use these to shrink them down for charms. Then there was this one, which I thought was pretty too. The dresses have some writing on them. And then these are just some dressmaker, I guess, forms. And I don't know why I wanted this one, but again, I never used it. So, all right, so let's go ahead and see how this one stamps. Where did my little acrylic block go? Here it is. It doesn't even fit. So I don't know if I had a larger acrylic block at one time. I don't know. I guess we'll test it out and see. May not, yeah, that's not going to fit on there, so I may just have to do it by hand. And I think I will use the black ink. I don't know, you're supposed to have like wood and put these on wood. I guess I never really asked when I purchased these on how this works. Or, do you put tape or glue and then use that on the acrylic block? But I'm just have this pressing down. Let's see how it looks. Doesn't look like her feet got any. Okay, so that's what she looks like. Maybe a little bit more here on the edges. So we'll test it out, and here goes nothing. This is my own little booklet journal, so if it doesn't stamp fine, that's okay. We're practicing pause, right? Okay, let's take a look. I just want to make sure that I press down in all areas. Okay, not too bad. So this is what the stamp looks like. Probably could have done a little bit of a better job, maybe of stamping there, but that's okay. You know, for first time using it. And I don't even know if this stamp store is even in existence anymore. These are the stamps, the faces, what they would look like. This is the envelope that they had mailed it out to me, so I placed the order when I was at the Phoenix show, and then they mailed it to me. And they are called Lost Coast Designs in Spokane, Washington. So again, it's 2010 is when I had attended the conference, so or the workshop, so I don't even know if they still exist, but this is the stamp. So again, if you want to check out what everyone else is doing, and or if you want to join in, you know, I don't believe there's any timeline. You just join in when you want to, and it's #ShareAStamp. So thanks so much for watching, everyone. Have a great day, and I'll see you in the next one.